Good morning. Hi out there in YouTube land. I'm hoping to show you today how I connect my tablet to my drone wirelessly. In my previous video I showed you how I was doing streaming video to my tablet, and this morning I want to show you telemetry. So first thing, I have a drone, multi-rotor, whatever your choice of phrase is. It has telemetry, there's the antenna, and of course video. In the last video I showed you how I was connecting to that. So today I'm just going to go and do a quick demo on how I connect to that. Now here's my tablet, and I'm going to show you just a quick video. It's going to come from over there. It'll just give you an idea of what it is that I'm talking about, just to refresh your memory, and then I'll show you what I'm doing here. So first up, I need to go and turn on Mission Planner. Get Mission Planner up and running. And the second thing I need to do is just power up the multi-rotor. And I'm going to go and do a connect. And now she's getting all the parameters.
1 minute.
There we go. Now you can see we're starting to get some data, although it seems to take a moment before things actually start showing up. Drone again. And you'll see it takes about 30 seconds to a minute before the data starts showing up. There we go. I don't quite understand why it takes that long. That's something I'll go and work on. But as you can see, there's no equipment that's on my tablet that allows me to connect. I mean, I do have Bluetooth and GPS, but I can assure you this is not a Bluetooth or GPS connection. This is a UDP connection, and there you go. Okay, now I'll disconnect. Okay, now I'm going to show you that it's not hardware specific. This is my Windows tablet. Now it may do something a little bit funny in that for whatever reason Mission Planner on this tablet goes kind of wonky, but hopefully, there we go. Okay, so just like the other machine, there she is, working just fine. Again, it's not Bluetooth, it's a UDP connection to the drone. And later on I'll show you how I do it. And I think that's it. I've got my cell phone here. I'm running the Tower app. I'm going to connect. Give it a second. Here's the drone. And we should start seeing changes in its status. As you can see, horizon's moving. So all three devices I have are all getting the data, not at the same time, of course. but wirelessly. No connections to it. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is just how I was able to go and achieve video streaming and telemetry streaming. This, I know it's a little hard to see, is my ground station. It's nice and small. You can see just by the size of my hands compared to it. If I open it up, so when I power it up, I've got my voltage and current information, power and energy usage. I've got a 12 volt receptacle here so I can power something else if I want, or I can provide power to it. I've got 2 USB ports so that I can charge something or run some peripheral if I want. I have a charge port so I can charge the battery. Here I've got video in. I have an Ethernet connection so I can connect it to the internal Ethernet in my home if I want. I have 12 volt here, so if I want to power some external system, for instance video goggles, and I've got video out here. Again, so if I want to go and plug goggles in and use a tethered system, I can go and do that. In the box itself is a UDP server that's connected to the telemetry, and there is a video stream server in here as well, and that all is connected to a small low power Wi-Fi access point. And so while I'm sitting in the field, I just have to simply take my tablet, connect to the Wi-Fi that exists here, and then I've got access to everything that I need. If I want to not stream, I can turn the streaming off, and by turning the streaming off, it just keeps the video and the power available. So if I want to just FPV and I'm not worried about the rest of it, I can use this as a power source for my goggles, and in fact power source for a partner's goggles if I want to take someone for a ride. And that's it. Thanks for watching.